welcome back. Ever notice the cent symbol isn't on the keyboard? Or wanted to type a degree symbol? Or even a smiley face or pi? No, not that one. The Greek one. There we go. Yes, Windows 10 has added the emoji keyboard that you can access by hitting Windows dot, but that doesn't currently have any of the symbols I just mentioned. AutoHotkey makes this really simple, and using AutoHotkey.com, we can make it so that we can type any keyword and have it replaced with the Unicode character we want. Heading over to AutoHotkey.com, let's use a hot string, a keyword we type out to cause an action, and set it to trigger on ;smile as our trigger. And for the action, we choose Send Unicode Char. We need the Unicode symbol for a smiley face, so let's Google that. Okay, it looks like it's 263A. Back on AutoHotkey.com, let's put that in as 0x263A. And submit. And we can look at the code that was automatically generated for us. I'm going to go ahead and scroll back up here and download. And because I have AutoHotkey installed, I can run it by clicking it. And I can see that it's running down here in the corner. So now if I open Notepad and start typing a sentence, I can type ;smile and have it replaced with a smiley face. You can do this with any Unicode symbol. I found that I use the degree symbol, pi, arrows, and the smile and frowny faces the most. I'll put a link to a configuration with these in the description. So that's a quick and easy way to type any Unicode symbol easily. Until next time, this is AutoHotkey signing off.